If you are just about to begin a sales call and you're broadly nervous about the fact that what exactly are you supposed to do, take my 5 tips. Tip number 1, research the customer persona that you are trying to meet immediately. Tip number 2, understand the usage pattern of the customer in terms of how much and how many times does the customer use your product. Tip number 3, try and understand who are your competitors on the table, what is the pricing on the table. Tip number 4, try and understand the 5 characters in the buying process. Who is the consumer, who is the customer, who is the influencer, who is the financer, and if at all, who is the consultant on the table. And my tip number 5, understand very clearly what are the negotiables and what are the non-negotiables. You are not going to let down on the buying table. With these 5 tips, I'm sure you're going to crack your sales call very well.